is the Lennox air conditioner, running full out, properly installed, cooling the house nicely on the service check. This unit is just going into its 20th year of operation. 2 decades old, still running, still the same compressor, still the same fan motor, no major repairs whatsoever. 2 decades. Start with good equipment, like this Lennox unit, but proper installation is so vitally important. Poor installation on good equipment, you're going to have problems a year or two down the road. Look at this. 20 years later, we have not done anything major to this unit whatsoever. We've got a lot of these out there.